Hey guys, since there is a lot of stock volatility nowadays, why not do a question on stocks on Leetcode? Right. So in this question, we need to find out the best time to buy and sell a particular stock. So we are only permitted to complete at most one transaction. So basically you just want to buy one stock and one particular day and sell the same stock on a day potentially with a high price. So we are given prices for each day, each particular day, and for example, the price is given as on day 0, price is 7. On day 1, the price is 1. On day 2, the stock price grows to 5. And the question asks us to basically find that one transaction where we can extract maximum profit. So for this particular case, we can extract a profit of $5, and which is basically buying the stock at price 1 and selling at price 6, which is buying on day 1 here and selling on day 4. It seems simple and easy problem because we just want to do one transaction. So I think the algorithm can be easy, and where we can say if we can find if we can find for each day maximum profit we can get. If each day we find the maximum profit we can get, then we can do a maths over all days. Then maths over all days, right? It's easy. Now to do this, what we can do is we can pick a day ith and try to find another day, subsequent day, where we sell that stock. Basically, if we buy on day 0 and on 7 price, we can loop over the next days and find where to sell it. But basically, this becomes like a two for loop where for each I in days and for each j from I to n, buy on I, sell on j, profit becomes prices of j minus prices of I. And we can do is max profit over this. Something like this, right? So we find the maximum profit on day I. But we can also store the maximum price since a particular day. So what we can do is we can go in a reverse direction and we can form an array called max price, which will tell us max price, which will tell us maximum price of stock on or after day I. So instead of looping every time we want to find the day to sell and looping from I to n, we can actually pre-compute the maximum uh, for each I and store that maximum in an array. So what we want to pre-compute is we want to pre-compute max price array, which will represent maximum price of stock between ith day and n. Right? And we can simply pre-compute this array, and then we don't have to use two nested loop, and this loop is actually pre-computed. So we can do a reverse traversal on the prices array, keep a variable which is a max, current max, and then assign the current max and to the ith variable of max price. So let's look at this algorithm and code. Right. So what we do is we first declare an n variable, which is the length of the prices. This comes handy for each of the loop and when we want to iterate over the array. And just a sanity check, if n is less than equals to 1, then we just want to return 0 because we can't make any trade out of this. Now let's pre-compute the max price over here. Max price equals to 0 times n. We need to assign max price of the last variable for the last day equals to prices of the last day, and then we loop from basically 2 to n because we want to iterate from n minus 2 to 0 in reverse order. This represents n minus 2 to 0, and we also need a current max price variable, which is also the last price. Now we update our current maths equals to maths of current maths, comma, prices of. Now the current variable becomes actually n minus I, right? This is the date, this is the reverse iteration we are doing, right? Prices of j. And we assign maths prices of j equals to current maths, right? So this is a pre-computation. So each of the maths of prices contains the maths price of the stock after the jth index, right? And now we just need to have the answer stored as a max profit, and we loop over 0 to n, and we assign max profit equals to max of max profit, comma. So this is a sell price. Sell price will be max of prices of I, and cost basis will be prices of I, right? And we just put in max profit, right? That we right. And then we have a but here because this j will never become 0. So we have to actually iterate to n plus 1. Now j will become 0 actually sometime. Okay, great. Let's run this code. Oops. Right, and we also need to fix this in. Okay, my bad, syntax error. Okay, oops. Max price. Okay, great. Let us submit this code. Okay, great. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment if you want any particular question to be solved, and share this video. Thank you.